division Felicinofighter wanakuwa wana release, ambayo within their release kuna this spore bearing structure ambayo inaitwa sorus. Tumesema kwamba the major plant of this division Felicinofighter ni sporophyte, so they are lifted to bear this reproductive structure ambayo inaitwa sori, na singular tunaita sorus. So sorus is a cluster of spore producing structure called sporangia. So the sorus yenyewe ni kusanyiko zile spores ambazo zinabi produced katika structure ambayo inaitwa sporangia, na baada ya maturity ina shift kwenda katika sporangia ambayo inabi released after the maturity, na hivyo kuweza kuwa dispersed, na ikiwa ikibidi dispersed katika favorable condition, they are capable of developing into another plant. Na vile vile their leaves are arranged in a clump called frond. So the leaves of this plant, of any plant, they are arranged in a clump called fronds. Na another characteristics ni kwamba they have simple vascular tissue. This plant, they tend to have primitive or simple vascular tissue. They tend to have the xylem pamoja na phloem. Sio kama members wa division Bryophyta ambao wenyewe hawana. Ambao this xylem pamoja na phloem ni important for the conduction of water and mineral salt pamoja na photosynthetic product from different part of the plant kwa ajili ya different function of the plant. Na vile vile this plant, they tend to have two root, shoot na leaves. So this plant, they tend to have two root, shoot pamoja na leaves, and leaf develop from the underground stem ambayo inaitwa rhizome. Because they tend to have the two, zinakuwa zina roots na kwa zina shina pamoja na majani, lakini their leaves develop from the underground stem. This is a modified stem ambayo inakuwa inaitwa rhizome. So mpaka hapo toilet kipengele A cha distinctive features of the division Felicinofighter limekuwa limejibiwa mpaka hapo. So the second question ya 5 Roman B ulikuwa inahitajika draw a well labeled diagram of the feni plant. Sema kwamba feni plant is one of the example of the plant which is found within the division Felicinofighter. Kwa hivyo nahitajika kuweza kuchora structure of the feni plant. So this is the structure of the feni plant. Nimeambia by using a diagram. Hujaambia uelezee, just draw a diagram. Uweze kuchora diagram then label. So the structure of the feni plant is like this one as is shown here. As you see here, tunasema kwamba this plant, they tend to have their leaves are in class ambayo inaitwa fronds, na vile vile their leaves, mkusanyiko ya leaves inaitwa fronds, lakini katika kila leaves kuna bear the spore producing structure ambayo inaitwa sori au sorus, ambao those spore are capable of growing into another plant. So these are the small unicellular structure which are capable of developing into another matured plant when fall under the favorable condition, under the favorable ground. They tend to be dispersed when the spore rupture or when they rupture from the sporangium and being dispersed onto the ground. Vile vile this plant, they tend to have this modified underground stem ambayo inaitwa rhizome kwa ajili ya supporting of these leaves. Na vile vile this plant, they tend to have the true root shoot pamoja na leaves. You see here, sio kama wale Bryophyte line, their leaves are photosynthetic, meaning that they tend to undergo photosynthesis process to manufacture their own food. So unaangalia they have true leaves, they have this, wanakuwa na shina pamoja na roots kwa ajili ya their support. Also wanakuwa na bear simple vascular tissue throughout their vegetative structure for their support. So my lovely from four students, that is how this question needed to be answered. And the last question ni question number 80 ambalo lilikuwa inakuhitaji uweze kulisti any 4 microelement in plant nutrition. Swali la 8 la mwaka 2018 ilikuwa inakuuliza kwamba list any 4 micronutrients microelement in plant nutrition. Umeambiwa only list, hujaambiwa uelezee, hujaambiwa briefly explain, just list any 4 macroelement in plant nutrition. Tapozungumzia macroelement, these are the elements which are required by in large amount or in large quantity by the plant for their growth. Na swali la 8B ilikuwa inakuhitaji explain the causes of any 3 common disorders and diseases of the human digestive system. Explain the causes of any common disorder and diseases of the human digestive system. Kwa hili ndo swali letu. Tukianza na swali namba 8A ambayo ilituhitaji kuweza kulist, just listing or mentioning the macro elements in plants. So when you talk on the macro elements or macronutrients, these are the elements which are required in large quantity by the plants. So these are the elements which are required by large quantity by the plant. Example, tukisema ndio tunazimention, they include the magnesium, kuna carbon, kuna calcium, hydrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, potassium na nitrogen. Nimeweza kumention zaidi ya 4, lakini tuambia tu mention only 4. Kwa hapa utamention nitrogen, potassium, utamention magnesium pamoja na phosphorus. So these are the macronutrients. They are many, lakini tuambia only 4 as main one: nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus pamoja na magnesium. Na vile vile carbon, calcium, hydrogen na oxygen zote ni macros zinahitajika kwa kiasi kikubwa. Question number 8B tuhitaji explain the causes of any 3 common disorders and diseases of the digestive system. Uweze explain the causes of those disorders and diseases of the human digestive system. Kwa takiwa ili swali inatoka katika nutrition, katika kipengele cha digestive system, nutrition in mammals, katika kipengele cha digestive system. Kwa hivyo uweze kuelezea the disorders or diseases which affecting the digestive system. Na hivyo ili uweze kujibu ili swali kwa inahitajika uwe na uelewa wa kutosha concerning the digestive system. Kwanza ujue digestive system ni nini, ni contain which parts. Na baada kujua the digestive system, the parts na the process how the digestion do take place on those particular part of the digestive system, uweze kujua the disorders au magonjwa ambayo yanakuwa yanaathiri the part of those digestive system. So diseases and disorders of the digestive system. So this included diseases that affect the teeth, esophagus, stomach and small intestine pamoja na large intestine. So tunapozungumzia the disease, yani magonjwa ambayo yanakuwa affect this part of the digestive system, ambapo kwa mfano tunazungumzia magonjwa ambayo yanakuwa yanaathiri mdomo, ambao within the meno ambao kuna mdomo, kuna esophagus ambapo kuna stomach, kuna small intestine pamoja na large intestine. So these are the main part of the digestive system or alimentary canal. So these diseases include the dental caries which tend to affect the teeth, kuna heartburn which tend to affect the esophagus, kuna ulcers which tend to affect the stomach, kuna constipation which tend to affect the small and large intestine pamoja na flatulence. So these are the main diseases which affect the human digestive system. Lakini swali letu imetuhitaji tuweze kuexplain only 3, tutoe only 3 causes. So by starting with the first one ambayo ni ulcers. Ulcers ni vidonda vya tumbo. So this occur as a result of the action of the enzyme and acid on the epithelial lining of the stomach and duodenal wall. So this occur as a result of the action of the enzyme pamoja na acid on the epithelial lining of the stomach pamoja na duodenal wall. Kwa ulcers inatokea pale baada ya kutokana na madhara ya acid pamoja na this stomach intestinal acid which are released, ambayo inapelekea madhara katika wall of the stomach. They tend to affect the wall of the stomach which contain the mucus. So they tend to corrode the mucus which are used for the defense for this stomach lining. By corroding them inapelekea mtu kuweza kugua ulcers. So the mucus coating can be broken by bacteria called Helicobacter pylori. So this disease can be caused by this bacteria ambayo inapelekea ulcers, inaitwa ni Helicobacter pylori, ambayo inaenda kudistract that mucus ambayo inakuwa ina protect the lining of the stomach. So baada ya kuaffect kuweza kublock, inakuwa ni rahisi mtu kuwa affected by the release of this stomach acid ambayo ni this gastric juice ambayo imecontain the hydrochloric acid na inaweza kupelekea corrosion for the stomach wall lining. So the causes of the ulcers. The first one is stress which stimulates the production of the acid. The causes ya first disorder ni stress, ambapo stress